Hello friends, I have completed my spider web pattern in this my hat. You start from here also and you go to the circular motions in this hat, and this is the, and then after that you make this lining all over your hat. And then you make this type of eyes, spiderman eyes. For this pattern you insert your eyes in your hat. For spider eyes you make one slip knot and make 3 chain. Go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 half double crochet. Total 2 half double crochet in this stitch. You make 3 more half DC and then 1 2 chain and turn your work and make, this is count as a first half DC in the first stitch. Make 1 more half DC in the same stitch. Go to the next and make 2 half DC. Go to the third stitch, make 2 half DC. You make 2 half DC in the every stitch. Then you make 1 2 chain, count as a first half DC and turn your work and make 2 half DC, 1 more half DC in the first stitch and go to the next stitch and make 1 half DC. You make 1 half DC in the next 3 stitches, and this is the center stitch. Here you make 2 3 total 3 half DC in the same stitch, and then go to the next stitch with only 1 half DC. Then next 1 half DC and then next 1 half DC, and this is the last stitch. Here you make 2 half DC and then you cut your extra yarn. And then you make the outlining. For outlining you use the black color yarn and you make 2 eyes for Spider-Man. The same process, and you insert your eyes in the here